day 4 of training cross until I'm sub 3, I've actually decided to switch things up a bit. I'm actually going to be timing my cross solutions here to make sure that I'm actually sub 3. Okay, no bad edges, that's good. I can go D prime, R prime, B2, D, F2. D prime, R prime, B2, D, F2. Okay, I messed it up. I guess what I should have done is explain the whole process first. It was supposed to be D prime to misalign this orange piece, so I can insert the blue because blue goes on the right of orange. Orange piece here with a D prime, and then I would go R prime, which would bring this blue piece down here, and then these two would be aligned relative to each other. Then I would insert orange red, because red is on the right of blue, so that would go in with a B2. Then I would go D prime, or D rather, to align the cross. Then the last move would be F2. So with green facing us, cross on the bottom of course, I would go D prime, R prime, B2, D, F2. Perfect. Next scramble. And just in case you're wondering, the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to be comfortably sub 20, and the average cuber at sub 20 has a sub 3 cross. So this is definitely my biggest area of improvement. So with this cross, these two are already solved relative to each other, so a simple D prime would align them. But this is in the incorrect spot, so what I can do is I can do a D, which would create an opposite color cross. So green would be here, orange would be here, and then I would just insert this with a R prime, and then D2, F prime with a finger. So D, R prime, D2, F prime. Bro, it took me too long. Another thing I've realized is scrambling is one of the best ways to learn cross finger tricks, because as you're scrambling, obviously there's different combination of moves, so it forces you to be creative and be efficient with your scramble, which then translates into your cross solutions. Anyway, enough yapping. For these two, I would just go R prime, then blue is aligned with itself, green also aligned. Then I would go F and B prime, right? F with this finger, B prime with that finger. And then I'd actually do a U2, and then R2, and then a U prime, because this would be here. So I'd do a U prime to bring it here, and then L2. So the solution is R prime, F, B prime, U2, R2, U prime, L2. Okay, I messed that up. Okay, how did I mess this up? Oh, I see what I did wrong. There's actually no need for a D. I actually complicated it. So it's R prime, F, B prime, L2, R2, U prime, L2. And even then I could have done a U2 double flick instead of a single flick. Let's go. Bad edge, bad edge. There's gonna be a whole lot of regripping here because I'm trying to use the green to insert orange. So I'm gonna do that. But the green edge piece, the white sticker, is gonna be here. And then this would be here. Forget it, I'm gonna do the regrip. So L, F prime, R2, and then L prime, U prime, L prime, keep rotation, L2. That's so inefficient, bro, I can't do that. L, F prime, D, L prime, D prime, L, R2. Bro, this is gonna be messy, I know it. Took me 4 seconds. It's a bit, I'm not used to those moves, so it's a bit tricky for me. Bad edge. So definitely start with the bad edges. L prime brings the sticker here, and then I insert it with an F prime, which brings the sticker here, and then R prime would bring this sticker back here, and then this green sticker or white sticker would be here. Yeah, I would go U, L2, D prime, R prime, D. I think those are the last 3 moves. Okay, let's try and memorize that. So L prime, F prime, R prime, U, L2, D prime, R, D. Yeah, I had to think about it. Anyway, my average of 5 for my cross is 3.18 seconds. I can definitely use some work on my cross. So see you in the next one.